Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to use dual WhatsApp in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, it is a very simple method. Please follow this. Guys, you can see I am using two WhatsApp in my mobile. You can see a pair on the screen and I can use two different number. I have two number. I can use two different number in this WhatsApp. This WhatsApp and this WhatsApp. You can see a pair on the screen. And guys, it is a very interesting method, and guys, original method, not a fake method. Guys, follow me. And guys, first of all, open, you can see appear on the screen, open App Store, you can see. And guys, wait a few seconds and now search here WhatsApp. Now search here WhatsApp, you can see appear on the screen WhatsApp. And I am searching WhatsApp. Tap on it, you can see. And guys, you can see tap on WhatsApp Messenger, and I am already installed. I am open it, and you can see I will set up on my number later. And guys, now again open App Store and search here WhatsApp and click here WhatsApp. And guys, now open again WhatsApp Business. I have you already installed. You can install from here. Guys, is the official WhatsApp, and you can use WhatsApp Messenger and you can use WhatsApp Business. Guys, both are different and you can use both number, different number on WhatsApp. Guys, I am using two WhatsApp on two numbers by this method for a long time. Guys, you can use two different number on two WhatsApp by this